Department of Homeland Security has released a draft notice detailing plans to impose a 50% tariff on Indian products as previously announced by US President Trump viewers. And this is coming in as remember that we are getting you back-to-back updates on Republic TV where once again Donald Trump had said that he's going to go ahead and slap 50% tariffs. So now there is a notice which has been issued regarding the imposition of the additional 25% tariffs on Indian imports, with a punitive duty set to kick in on August 27, 12:01 a.m. EST. The notice issued by the Department of Homeland Security stated that the new levies were a response to threats to the U.S. by the government of the Russian Federation, and India was being targeted as part of that policy. The duties set out in the annex to this document are effective with respect to products of India that are entered for consumption or withdrawn from warehouse for consumption after 12:01 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time on August 27, 2025. It read. This is what the statement is reading right now. Remember, already we have seen the relationship between New Delhi and Washington be a little bit tense after US President Trump has gone ahead and doubled the tariffs on Indian goods to a whopping 50%, including 25% additional duty because India is purchasing Russian crude oil. However, India has made it clear that they will go ahead and withstand this so-called pressure from the US, and India has said that no matter how much pressure comes, we will keep increasing our strength to withstand it. Okay, let's go straight across to Ambassador Deepak Vora is joining us here, former diplomat. Thank you for joining us here, Ambassador Vora. I just want to go ahead and say that, talk a little bit more about what PM Modi has said. PM Modi has said that today in this world, there is politics of economic self-interest. Everyone looks out for themselves. We are witnessing this. And this is a very strong reply that he has given to the United States as US has released a draft to impose the tariffs.
Thank you very much. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Well, thank you very much. I'm very far away in Leh, Ladakh, where His Holiness the Dalai Lama is here. And here we are talking peace while that McDonald Trump fellow is trying to wage economic war, not just against India, but against the whole world. Ma'am, there used to be a film, you're too young to remember, a film called Albert Pinto Ko Gussa Kyun Aata Hai. We'll do a sequel, Donald Trump Ko Gussa Kyun Aata Hai. Prime Minister Modi has given a perfect response that this is the time when everybody is looking out for himself or herself. It's also the Schwarzenberg principle that we are taught in the Foreign Service in diplomacy. There is no such thing as gratitude. We've done a lot for America, never offended them in any way, never acted against their interests. They've done the opposite. They've hurt us at several times. America says we are playing the long game with India. Well, we'll also play the long game with America. I believe the Trump's tariffs that he has imposed against us starting tomorrow, 27, very good. They will come into effect, but they are going to hurt America, the American consumer, more than he can imagine at this point of time. He has a vision to make America great again. He's actually destroying that vision. Will India hit back? It's not our system, it's not our style to respond immediately. We will at a time and place of our choosing. And of course, one of the unintended consequences of what he is doing, he is trying to push India, Russia, and China into closer economic cooperation. Political cooperation, forget about it. We don't trust the Chinese, neither do the Russians, but we would probably enhance our economic tripartite cooperation, Bharat, Russia, and China, and we'll look for other markets beyond the United States. In any case, at $200 billion or whatever, we'll be able to handle this.
All right. Thank you for joining us there, Ambassador Deepak Vora, former diplomat, joining us here on Republic TV as you see that US issues notice on the additional tariffs. Okay, let's move ahead right now, viewers. Prime Minister Modi is on a 2-day visit to Gujarat.